Good morning. For our lesson 6, we'll perform an activity, Electromagnet. During the experiment, we require your complete undistracted attention, so we ask that you follow these instructions carefully. You may not open other applications on your computer, chat with other students, or engage in other distracting activities. It is important that you listen carefully. Follow our home laboratory safety guidelines in performing activity. So let's proceed with learning task 6.2. Let's do it. The objective for this activity is to design an experiment to determine the factors that affect the strength of electromagnet. Now the problem. What are the factors that affect the strength of the electromagnet? So materials for this activity, you need 300 centimeter long copper wire, and we have also here nail, 1.5 volts battery. We have metal clips, thumbtacks, and small nails. Now, the procedure. First, make an electromagnet by winding the electrical wire around the large nail. Then, you're going to connect both ends of the wire to a dry cell. And for number 3, test the electromagnet by placing some metal tips, small nails, and thumbtacks near the coiled nail. Does the nail attract the clips and thumbtacks? So you have to write your observations. And for number 4, find out how many metals attached to the nail. Observe and then wind more coils of wire. If you're going to add more dry cells to the electromagnet, make sure you connected the dry cells properly. Which setup attract more metals if you're going to add more dry cells? And for number 6, change the nail into a smaller one. I have here a smaller one, a smaller nail. Observe which setup attract more metals. So let's see. If I'm going to use a smaller nail, let's find out if it attracts more metals. Okay. Next, for our questions, what have you found out? What is the effect of the following variables on the strength of an electromagnet? The tightness of the wire coiled around the nail, the number of coils of wire around the nails, the number of dry cells used, and the size of the nail. And for our conclusion, how does electromagnetism happen in an electromagnetic coil? What are the factors that affect the strength of the electromagnet? That's it for today's activity. Be safe and have fun learning. Thank you.